This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a gaming room. First, let's plan. Measure your room to understand the available space. Think about where your desk and monitor will go, considering natural light to avoid glare. Set a realistic budget for your gear and furniture. Finally, locate power outlets and plan for efficient cable management to keep things tidy. Next, focus on your essential equipment and comfort. A good gaming chair is crucial for long sessions, supporting your back and posture. Pick a desk that comfortably fits your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Ensure your monitor is at eye level to prevent neck strain. Don't forget quality headphones for clear audio and team communication. Now, let's enhance the ambience with lighting and aesthetics. Ambient lighting, such as LED strips behind your monitor, can create a fantastic mood. Use task lighting for better visibility without causing screen glare. Personalize your space with posters, figures, or other collectibles that reflect your style. Remember to keep the area tidy for a focused gaming experience. Finally, let's tackle cable management and organization. Use cable ties or sleeves to bundle all your wires together, keeping them out of sight. Mounting power strips under your desk is a great way to hide them and reduce clutter. Arrange your peripherals for easy access and a clean aesthetic. A regular cleaning routine will keep your setup looking great and performing optimally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.